Hello everyone, this is Tech Remedy. Welcome to another Visual Basic.NET tips and tricks video. Today we'll talk about strings and how to get values out of them. Let's say that we have two text boxes and a button and another text box to show the mathematical result of those two text boxes. Let's put a label in between and write here add. This would be our btn add. This would be our txt number 1. This is txt number 2, and this is txt sum. Let's resize our form. So if we put the action of adding the result of the two numbers and putting it in sum, that would be something like txt sum.text equals to txt no1.text plus txt number 2.text. Let's run our program and see what we get. Let's write 10 plus 5. You see the answer is not 15, it is 105. So what Visual Basic did is putting the string of the first text box next to the string of the second text box, and then gave us the result in the third one, which is not the result that we are after. We want the value of the first number added to the value of the second number. We have a couple of methods to do that. Let's put them here to see the difference between them. So we write here value method CINT and CDBL. So let's see the methods that are available and the result of each one. The first one is called value. So what we'll do here is we'll copy the same function. We'll get to the first one. We'll use the value method, which is VAL. So we want the value of the first text box added to the value of the second text box. Let's try the program. 10 plus 5 equals to 15. This is one of the methods. The second method is to convert the string inside the text box to an integer and then add it to the second integer. So we'll use CINT and CINT on both. So 10 plus 5 using CINT will give us 15. The only problem is this method does not take any decimal point, so if we write 10.5 plus 5.2, you'll see the number is also 15. We converted this 10.5 to integer, resulted in 10, 5.2 to integer resulted in 5, and added 10 to 5, which is 15. Let's use CDBL, convert to double, and try. 10 plus 5 using CDBL resulted in 15. 10.9 plus 5.6 resulted in 16.5. So CDBL converted the string in text box 1 and text box 2 to a double value and then added those two double values to each other and resulted in a double result. If you want to know more about variable types and the conversion between them, please make sure to check the variable types video as we discussed those in detail. That was all for this video, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.